Car accidents are a terrible occurrence and can happen anytime and any day of the week. Drivers are not always as responsible as they should be, as they can become distracted behind the wheel. Unfortunately, in a car accident, there are two people involved, the driver of one car and the driver of another. When it comes to Pinder Plotkin Law Firm in Parkville, we can help you get through the difficulties of going through an auto accident. Following a car accident, you need a car repair, a possible hospital visit, amongst other important things. These all cost money that sometimes drivers do not even have. We serve multiple areas across the state, including Baltimore, Tacoma Park, Parkville, Ellicott City, Bel Air, and more. Find us online at www.pinderplotkin.com to see how we can best help you. Our website provides resources to all of your questions. However, we may not be able to answer all of your questions on our website. That is when you need to schedule a consultation with us immediately. As we mentioned earlier, we have 6 offices across the state, and it is up to you to have the courage to come in to meet with us, because otherwise, we cannot help you get what you deserve. We provide a free case review and will determine that you have a case. Stop worrying about the headaches of car accidents, because you will drive yourself mad. Let us walk you through how we do things the legal way and get you what you want and need immediately. Cases can take an extensive amount of time, and we assist you as best as we can to get your case settled as fast as possible. Contact by phone at 410-525-5337 to get a free case evaluation and speak with a representative. We are available 24/7, so please contact us immediately.